So like I said, guys, I got the 1-inch hole saw. It's a 1/2-inch pipe. That'll leave some wiggle room around it. It's already laid out, so now I can get to drilling. I always start a little bit dry, and then I'll add water as I get cutting. I've fully broken the surface of the porcelain with the hole saw, so now I'm going to start adding water just to make the cut that much easier. These hole saws and bits get really hot. That's also the benefit of putting water to it. It keeps the bits cold and keeps it cutting. There we go, 1 hole. So now that we've got our hole cut, our tile cut to size, we're going to go ahead and move it into the room with the dry fit, make sure it fits good, make sure there's no more scribing that needs to be done. So here we're looking for a little bit of wiggle room around that copper pipe. We're looking for this to be a nice grout joint over here. All that being said, I know I can see my line above my tile, so I know that tile can get raised with the base plates. So I think we've got it. So now we're going to go ahead, mix up some thin set. We'll get these bottom row in perfectly level, and we'll move up from there.